Good morning, traders. It's Trader Rob. Today is Thursday, September 12th. We have definitely have some high impact news here this morning with PPI and U.S. initial jobless claims coming out in the next about 4 minutes. Already posted in Discord on my levels trades that the market could be setting up here for a pretty big move to the downside if a certain level holds, which I'll go into right after the intro. And another beautiful 15-minute Rob reversal for 35 points on the NQ yesterday, which is always a beautiful thing to see when I get home from work. So let's get into the intro and let's talk about the trades from today. As always, nothing that I state on my channel is financial advice. Trading futures or any type of trading is risky business. Any capital that is put out there is at risk for loss. All right, so as I stated, got a nice 15-minute Rob reversal yesterday, right at your noon 15-minute candle on the NQ. Got activated to the long, 35 points. Hit that one actually pretty damn easy, barely any drawdown on there, and you can see how well this captured the move. Obviously we had a pretty wild day yesterday. We had a pretty big fake out in the morning and then a straight shot to the moon right after that. Which, if you guys watched my video from yesterday, I did say that the markets were poised for a pretty big movement after 2 solid days of pretty much contraction and range-bound trading. So let's see what we've got here for today. Taking a look at our morning trades, took a really nice trade in gold yesterday for a max size 35 ticks. Got activated on the 810, 815 inside bar, got activated to the long. Stop loss would have gone at the bottom of your source, which is 43 ticks. Automatically, the rules and conditions say to lower your risk down to 35 ticks and also target 35 ticks, which is what we did, and took a really nice trade there. Oil session 1 ended up being a winner. It was kind of a marathon trade based on the 805, 810 inside bar. We did get activated into the short. It was actually 33 ticks right there. And obviously was in some drawdown here, and then full take profit. Unfortunately, with oil session 2, we did get activated into the short. Actually felt pretty good about that trade, but then reversed on me to knock me out for 35 ticks. So pretty much break even on the morning strategies yesterday, which has pretty much been the theme for August and September. And then the 15-minute Rob reversal really came through to put me into some really nice green yesterday, which was fantastic. Looking at our levels for this morning, this is what I'm talking about. I mean, we've been pretty much in consolidation here for a while. We've got pretty big news that's coming up here in the next minute. What I'd like to see is the market kind of sweep these highs, and then I could see a big move to the downside. If we bust through this 19,315, what I'd be looking for is a setup here to go short off the 19,639. 5-minute level, and then you can put your stop right above your 15-minute level at 19,677. And then on the downside, obviously we've got a huge move down here to get to another level, and then depending on what happens, a long would be a nice possible trade from the 18,362, targeting the 18,508. Again, I post these setups each and every morning on Discord. This is a pretty easy setup that I saw already this morning. Just taking a short right off the 55.78. Posted this about 20 minutes ago. Let's see if it'll touch down to this level at 55.63. Another short up here from 56.31. Obviously, you can target, this is pretty aggressive, but you can target the 55.93 level, and you've got a stop above you at 56.34. And then if price action does break through this level, which I'm pretty sure it will if we get a strong candle here, I could see this coming all the way back down and tapping into the 55.15 level that I have laid down for this setup. So that's the trade here. I even got here, it could be a big move. If we get a pretty good sized candle to the downside, this could have a lot of room to burn to the downside. So we'll see here what the markets want to do. Just want to capitalize on a few moves and get into the green and live to fight another day. All right, see you guys.